Okay, we have our L1Start.ai document open. Let's go into the Window menu to Workspace and choose Like and Design. And we'll go into the View menu to Fit All in Window. Now let's see what happens if we have more than one document open. We'll go into the File menu to Open, and let's select L1Start2.ai and also L1Start3.ai and click Open. When all three documents are open, each one has its own tab in the upper left. The first tab is our original document. Let's click on the second tab and go into the View menu to Fit All in Window. Click on the third tab and view Fit All in Window. To go back and forth between the open documents, we can click on each tab, or we can use the keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, Command-tilde, on a PC, Control-tab, and we can toggle back and forth between the open documents. If we want to change the order of the tabs, we can click on one and drag it to the right. Now let's look at the application bar and go to the Arrange Documents menu. Let's try 3-up in the vertical format, and we see each document window is open side by side. Let's get the grabber hand and click in the first window, and the second window, and the third window. If we wanted to, we could select an object in one window and drag it into another window. Let's go back to Arrange Documents, and this time choose the first button, which is Consolidate All. And now we see our three tabs again. Let's go to the Arrange Documents, and this time choose 3-up in the horizontal format, and now we see this arrangement. Go back to the Arrange Documents and choose Consolidate All, and we have our tabs. Looking under the Window menu, we can go to Arrange and choose Float All in Windows to see this arrangement. Notice under the Window menu, at the bottom, the open documents are listed. Let's go back to Arrange Documents and choose Consolidate All. We'll choose the Select tool by using the shortcut, the letter V as in Victor. And now let's learn a keyboard shortcut to the Zoom tool. On a Mac, hold down the Command key and spacebar. On a PC, the Control key and the spacebar to temporarily access the Zoom tool. So we'll click and drag and zoom in, and release the keys to return to the original tool, which in this case is the black arrow, the Select tool. Command-0 or Control-0 to fit in window. And now let's learn a keyboard shortcut to the grabber hand. To temporarily access the grabber hand, on a Mac, hold down the Option key and the spacebar. On a PC, the Control key and the spacebar. And now we have temporary access to the grabber hand. When we release the keys, we're back in the original tool, which in this case is the black arrow, the Select tool. Finally, let's look under the Help menu and go to Illustrator Help. This opens the Illustrator Help and Support web page. Now let's go to the Illustrator Help manual by clicking in the upper right-hand corner here on the web page and opening the Illustrator Help manual. Now if you'd rather have this page come up first when you go into the Help menu to Illustrator Help, you can choose Help right here and make that the default. Let's go to Workspace over here on the left, and let's choose Tool Galleries. This is a great place to learn about the tools. We'll choose Tool Galleries, and maybe start out with the Drawing Tool Gallery. And we see some excellent illustrations and a brief description of each tool and what it does.